Okay, we've shaved this down nice and rounded. So now it's going to fit inside our body good. So now we're going to take our Dremel sander disc and we're going to sand it down a little bit. So you can see how we're getting this sanded down nice. So we're going to keep using this till we go all the way around it, get it smoothed down some. Then we're going to go to our palm sander and we'll give the whole thing a once over. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.